Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, turn off your PS5 controller and remove the battery cover. This is usually done by sliding it off gently. Next, you'll need to unscrew the 4 screws located on the back of the controller using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the controller casing. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you do this. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Now that the casing is open, inspect the internal components. Look for any missing parts, such as the battery connector or buttons. If you find that parts are indeed missing, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get a clear understanding of what needs to be fixed without any commitment. Next, let's clean the internal components. Dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the circuit board and any other areas that may have accumulated dust or grime. This step is crucial as it can improve the performance of your controller. After cleaning, check the battery connection. If the battery is loose or not connecting properly, it may need to be replaced. If you don't have the tools to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your controller repaired without any hassle. Once you've ensured everything is clean and all parts are in place, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the casing and press it back together, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier using the Phillips screwdriver. Before you test the controller, it's a good idea to charge it fully. Connect it to your PS5 and let it charge for a while. After charging, turn on the controller and check if it's functioning properly. If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, fixing a PS5 controller with missing parts involves gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, and ensuring everything is properly connected. If you encounter any difficulties, remember that we are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, and a straightforward process to get your controller back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.